Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Begin by updating your device to the latest system and security patches. Open the Find My Device app and sign in with your account. Enable location access and device visibility so the service can locate device. Turn on Secure Device or equivalent setting in Device Management section quickly. Activate 2FA and set a lock code of 6 digits for emergency. Enable remote erase and offline locating options if your device supports them. Review recovery contacts and add one to receive SMS-based unlock codes alerts. Open the Find My Device website or app and sign in securely. Allow the site to access location and display the device on map. Use the play sound option to ring the device at full volume. Choose Secure Device to lock, show a message, and prevent unauthorized access. Write a clear contact message with a phone number and reward amount. If offline, check the last seen time and the battery percentage listed. Follow recovery instructions and contact your carrier for SIM or account blocking. When you regain possession, inspect the device for physical damage and tampering. Attempt to unlock with your passcode and then verify account settings immediately. If your account is compromised, change your password and remove unknown devices. Consider a factory reset after backing up important files to cloud storage. Report theft to law enforcement and give serial and IMEI and location. Contact your bank to freeze cards if financial apps or payments accessible. Finally, enable continuous backups and revisit security settings every 6 months afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.